It's St. Patrick's Day, and I don't have any cocktails to make?
If you would like a drink, then you should follow me. Hi.
Well, I do want a drink.
Happy St. Patrick's Day! Hey everyone, we wanted to make a special cocktail for St. Patrick's Day and do a short little video this time. This one's short. So this is called the Massey Cocktail, and it's a variation on the Massey Cocktail. Usually you have Irish whiskey. However, we have American rye whiskey, but we're using Irish gin. This gunpowder gin is incredible.
It's amazing.
It's really good. So, Irish gin, rye whiskey, sweet vermouth, green chartreuse, and Campari, and a little orange. So let's get to it. It's very simple. It's a nice variation on the standard Manhattan.
Cool. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Pop some cubes in there.
Popping some cubes.
Okay.
Whoa! Really popping some cubes.
Launching cubes at me.
I've been doing Irish car bomb since 6 a.m.
So the first thing, you'll do an ounce of gunpowder gin. This Irish gin. Now, if you have Irish whiskey and just standard gin, you can do that at home too. So this will be, we're just doing a variation. So 1 ounce. Let's put another cube in there. We want this cold. Just because there's 1 cube on the floor, it doesn't count. All right, and 1 ounce of whiskey, your Irish whiskey, or for this one, this is American rye. That's Templeton, really good stuff. And we've got 3/4 ounce sweet vermouth. Nice. And 1/4 ounce green chartreuse, which is incredible stuff. It smells so good. Hard to measure it. Like that, probably should flip to the other side. And then just a touch, just 1/8 of an ounce of Campari. Just a little dab will do you. Okay. Pop that in there. And I'm going to stir it. And I'm going to stir it for about 30 seconds or so. Would you mind peeling the orange? We're going to have a little orange peel garnish. This ice cube is...
I will dispose of the ice cube.
Playing hockey with this ice cube.
That's my job.
So give a nice stir. Make sure this gets super cold. So you can also, another trick as well, is you can put your shaker, freeze it beforehand, and you can also put your glasses in the freezer beforehand too. Those lights are mesmerizing.
Kind of distracting.
No, they're great.
I forget
That's perfect. Okay. Then we will pour this bad baby in here. Alright. Got our nice peel here. Just rub that along the edge. Just toss this in here for her. There we go. So this is our Massey. Cheers. Would you take a sip?
I would love to take a sip.
Hurry. Spill that everywhere. Oh my gosh. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us for this short little special little holiday episode. We'll be coming up with more of these in the future. So cheers, everyone. Take care. Thanks for joining us. If you like this video and other stuff on this channel, please like and subscribe. Yada, yada, yada.
Yada,
We
yada.
appreciate it.
Have a safe and fun St. Patrick's Day.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers.